In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a product on Squarespace. Whether you're managing an online store or simply want to temporarily remove a product from view without permanently deleting it, Squarespace offers a straightforward way to accomplish this. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring your e-commerce site remains organized and only displays products that are relevant and available. First, let's start at the very beginning. Navigate to the Squarespace website in your browser of choice. Here you'll find the gateway to all your website management needs. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. Squarespace gives you the option to log in using various methods, but for simplicity, click on Login and then choose Continue with Google if that's the most convenient method for you. This way you can use your Google account credentials, streamlining the process. After choosing your account, you'll be directed to your Squarespace dashboard. This is where the magic happens, where you can access all the back-end features of your site, including the website you wish to edit. Click on your website to proceed. This action will take you directly into your site's control panel, the command center for all your editing needs. Now that we're inside, our next destination is the Pages section. To get there, you can follow direct links, but generally you'd look for the Pages option on the dashboard. This area is crucial for managing the structure and content of your website. Your next step involves navigating to your online store within your site structure. Look for the shop page or whatever you've named the page that hosts your product listings. Clicking on this will reveal all the products currently available for customers to view. Now, find the product you wish to hide from your shop. Double click on this product to bring up its detailed view. Here you'll see options to edit various aspects of the product listing. Click on the Edit button, which usually appears as a pencil icon or similar. After this, to dive deeper into the product details, click on Edit Product. This is where you can change everything from pricing to product descriptions, but our focus will be slightly different. Within the Product Edit menu, look for the tab or section labeled Organization. It's under this section that you'll find settings related to how your product is displayed on your site. Within Organization, you're looking for a visibility setting that determines whether the product is publicly accessible or not. Typically, it's set to Public by default, meaning anyone visiting your site can see it. To hide the product, change this visibility setting to Hidden. This action ensures the product is no longer visible to the public, but it's still stored in your Squarespace backend. It's an excellent way to manage out-of-stock products or items you're planning to re-release at a later date without having to recreate the product listing from scratch. Lastly, make sure to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located in the upper left or right corners or at the bottom of the page. Clicking this ensures all your adjustments are applied and the product is now hidden from your store. In summary, hiding a product on Squarespace involves logging into your Squarespace account, navigating to your website's dashboard, selecting the product you wish to hide via the Shop page, and adjusting its visibility settings. Remember, while the product is hidden, you can always revert the visibility back to public whenever you're ready to show it off to the world again. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to hiding a product on Squarespace. This feature is particularly useful for managing your inventory online without having to delete and re-add products. Whether you're cycling through seasonal offerings or keeping a popular item under wraps for a re-release, knowing how to manage product visibility can significantly enhance your e-commerce efficiency. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes managing your Squarespace online store a bit easier. Feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need to refresh your memory on hiding or re-showing products on your site. Happy editing, and here's to a beautifully curated online store that perfectly matches your current lineup.